Ya Sai. Sit down, very comfortable, your eyes gently closed, your back absolutely straight. Just relax as you take a few deep, long breaths. Inhale loads and loads of light and exhale all that is unwanted and dark. Now let's begin our meditation with our beautiful Baba Sai. Baba, my dearest gorgeous Baba, I come to you, my head bowed in reverence, my heart palpitating in love for you, my faith deep and strong in your dainty, pretty feet. I come to you, Baba, asking for blessings, seeking divine intervention, because this life and its troubles overwhelm me, Baba. As strong as I may stay, there are weak moments when I break, when I just don't feel the strength to go on, when I feel every moment of life is a struggle. I just want to give up and run away. I just want to give up and give in. But then, Baba, I'm reminded of you, reminded that I am blessed to have my Baba in this life. And then I tell myself, I can't break, I can't fall, because my Baba is with me. But you know, Baba, I do move on with these strong words to myself, but sometimes even they start failing. So I come to you today asking you for help. I'm now seeing myself sitting comfortably, happily, blissfully in your DWARKAMAI. I can feel your presence, Baba, behind me, in front of me, and all around me. I can feel your love. I can feel your light. I can smell the fragrance of beautiful agarbattis, and also that of the flowers that adorn you. Surrounded by these fragrances, Baba, I sit in your DWARKAMAI and pray to you for blessings. Baba Sai. Please, Baba, come to me. Come for me. I need you, Baba. Please, Baba, please come for me. And Lo and behold, I see you in front of me now, Baba. That tilted, smiling face with the most beautiful eyes in the world, looking at me. Thank you for coming, Baba. Thank you for being around me always. I want to just offer a prayer in your feet today. Please accept my prayer, Baba. I am tired of the many challenges, the fears, the pains, the sufferings, the tears. I'm tired of the heartbreaks. I'm tired of pain in my body, stress in my mind. I'm strong, Baba. I love you. I trust you. I'm strong. But still, Baba, there are moments in which I get really, really weak. So today, I seek your grace. Give me the strength to move on, Baba. Pour your light on me, Baba. Please don't let me falter or fail. Bless me, cleanse my karma, ease my troubles, because I only know one God, Baba, and that is you. I only know one way to come out of all this, Baba, and that is you. I have only one ray of hope, Baba, and that too is you. I know I can offer all my troubles in your feet. I know you have taught me in the Satcharita, told me to surrender all my pain, all my trauma before you, Baba. But I don't even know how to do that properly. Teach me, Baba. Tell me, how can I offer all my pain in your feet? Guide me. Show me the way. So that once I offer everything in your feet, I feel relaxed. So that I have the strength to be brave. Because I trust in you. Because I have faith in you. Because I have surrendered it all to you. Flow into me, Baba, as strength, as energy, as joy, as peace, as wisdom. Hold my hand and walk me through. I sit in your presence in the DWARKAMAI. Please, please, Baba, cleanse away every pain, every darkness that you see around me. Burn it all away in the flames of your dhuni. So I may be cleansed, purified, and healed. Your smile tells me, Baba, that you're listening to me. Your smile tells me, Baba, that you are my savior and you will bring me out of this. Those reassuring eyes tell me, Baba, that you will always love and favor me. I know you're with me. I love you so much, Baba. So much. Please, please, please forgive me for all the mistakes I've made, for all the hurts I have caused, for all the wrongs I have done, knowingly or unknowingly. Please, Baba, from the depth of my heart, I seek forgiveness. I'm so sorry. So sorry. For all my unthought out actions, for all my unthought out words, for all the unwanted energies that I sent into the cosmos. Pardon me and forgive me, Baba. I'm your child, Baba. Please, please forgive me. Because only your forgiveness will take away the load of all the karmas I carry. Only your blessings will take me forward. Bless me, Baba. Heal me, Baba. Fill me up with your light, your love and your energies, Baba. I can feel you cleansing me. I can feel all the darkness leaving my aura, all the pain leaving my body, and going into Mother Earth as pure positive energy. I can see myself lighter, happier, healthier, calmer, and healed. I feel good, Baba. I feel happy. And your beautiful smile right in front of my eyes makes me happier, makes me overjoyed. I love you, Baba, and I love your smile. I'm willing to go through every test, every challenge, as long as you're holding me, Baba. I'm willing to learn every lesson that my soul has come to learn. But please let me learn my lessons in peace, Baba, not in suffering, please, Baba. I'm done with the suffering and the pain. I will learn everything you teach me. But please bless me so that I can do this. Bless me so that I never disappoint you. Just as the fire of the dhuni is blessing me, so also the fragrance of your incense, of your itra, is filling up my entire body, Baba. Every cell can feel your presence. It feels as if I have been reborn to a new life. It feels as if every cell of my body is dancing and singing and saying, Sai, 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 Sai. I am so overwhelmed in your presence, cleansed in your DWARKAMAI, blessed in your light. I now have the strength to face anything and everything that life brings to me. Every dawn will make me stronger and stronger from within. Every day will make me healthier and happier as I move on. I am a peaceful being. I am a happy soul. I am healthy, bright, and beautiful. I am in my Baba's light. I am my Baba's light. I live a life complete and fulfilled. This birth is fulfilled. This Janma is blessed, Baba, because I found you and you found me. Shukrana, gratitude in your dainty holy feet for always coming for me, for always holding me, for always protecting me. Please continue to nurture me, nourish me, bless me. And always, always, Baba, walk with me. For I belong to you. I belong to my Baba. I belong to the cosmic holy light. I am the all-powerful cosmic holy light. I am the all-powerful cosmic holy light. Aham Brahmasmi. Aham Brahmasmi. Aham Brahmasmi. Yasai, Yasai, Yasai.